what's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin'. How y'all doing? Good, good? Okay, I'm about to go in the shower, and then I'll come back to talk to you, boo-boos, okay? Hey, y'all. So, welcome back to my channel. This is just a little insert. I just wanted to say that I'm coloring my hair. You guys know what I use, Creme of Nature for the win. Let's get right into the video.
Make a deal with them or talk about them in front of anyone, including Natalie or... So you know, CIA's you.
Shower for an hour and a half just washing out all the color out my hair. When I tell you guys, that is the most time consuming part of coloring your hair, either at home or at a hair salon. The fact that you gotta, like, legit, you gotta wash out all of that because it will just break off your hair. But I want to show y'all what I wash my hair with. I'm so ghetto. So I took it looks like lemonade, but I took a bottle and I put this much of peppermint shampoo, Dr. Bronner's, and then I put one of the capsules of oil that comes into the Creme of Nature box. I put one of that in there, and I also put vitamin E, and then I filled the rest with water. The reason why I did that is because you are coloring your hair, so naturally it's just really dry. The first few weeks of coloring your hair, I say, is very crucial because if not done right and if not treated, you'll have a problem. So in about 2 weeks, I'm gonna deep condition my hair just to add more moisture. But while I'm going throughout the day, I will be using, every day I will be using my lavender hair spritz and my covet oil to just help the moisturizing process. But yeah, I mean, I've been coloring my hair by myself for years. So, this stuff isn't new to me, especially this shirt not even wet. Oh yeah, it is. Especially how long it takes to actually wash the color out of your hair. It's a process, y'all. Like, legit, it's a process. That is wet. My God. So right now, I'm just going to retwist my hair. Super Shay to the rescue. I'm retarded. So yeah, I'm just gonna moisturize my locks, and I'm also going to start retwisting because I think I'm gonna put some curls in my hair. I don't know yet. I think I'm going to though. So I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know. I believe I'm gonna do that. And then I got myself a dryer, so I'm definitely going to be sitting under that. It looks kind of dull now, but trust me. Once it dries and then you see her in the sun, she's gonna be popping, y'all. I like my applicator bottle because of this tip. It makes it so easy to apply oil, and then the dot on it is not, you can't see, but it's not big, so a bunch is not gonna be coming out, but it'll still get the job done, so you'll be able to use it for a while. You guys like my design? I like it. I'm gonna definitely do a tour of the house, of the apartment, I'm sorry, when I finish decorating the whole thing. It's not gonna be anytime soon because decorating costs money, honey, and we're on a budget, lad. We're on a budget. So I'm just gonna retwist my hair, and as I retwist it, I'm gonna put the curls in it as well. I haven't had curls in a while, so I'm excited. And I'm not using anything to retwist my hair. Just water. I bust shots, don't duck if it don't apply. Look at that. My hair. It's not locked on the bottom. Hey, I remembered. So I'm gonna do that for my whole head, and I will be back. I'm definitely not gonna do this on camera because this video is gonna be dumb long, but I will see you guys shortly. I might do 2 with 1 because I'm not gonna be here all day. So people, I am done. Ugh, I'm aggravated. My hair is too long, fam bam. It's too long. Look at my fingers, they're all wrinkly. Well, I used all 3 packs of the white, and I used some yellow, well, all of the yellow, and then I started to use some of the blue perm rods. So I think I'm gonna sit under my dryer for like 45 minutes or something. And then I'm still gonna keep these in, even if they're dried, I'm still gonna keep them in. Just spraying my lavender hair spritz. I'm gonna keep it in until tomorrow, and then I will be back to show you guys the final looksies.
Crash course, let me hide the money in the dashboard. Max mad, could you lost the brick inside the Porsche? Goofy with the curb.